CeMAT Southeast Asia and I'm here on the SICK stand with Michael. Welcome, Michael. Welcome to CeMAT.
Thank you, and we are glad to be here. Yeah.
Fantastic. And tell me more about SICK. What is it that you actually do?
Right, SICK is a German company. We are about 80 years old, and we are based out of Freiburg in Germany. And we are a sensor company. As it's indicated, SICK Sensor Intelligence basically tells you what we do. You can find our sensors in manufacturing lines of every sort. Right? So regardless of what is being manufactured, our sensors can be found embedded in the manufacturing machines as part of the automation process. But of course, we are here in CeMAT, so we are talking about logistics. And in the logistics field, you can find our sensors in sortation hubs. Here in CeMAT, you find a lot of the system integrators who build ASRS systems, sortation conveyor systems, and our sensors are located in these logistics systems. But on top of that, you can also find our sensors in AGVs and AMRs. Right? Our LiDAR sensors in AGVs would help in navigation, anti-collision solutions. And at the same time, behind me, we have got robots. Right? Our sensors help the robots to see what to pick, where to place in terms of palletizing, depalletizing. And so our customers are typically in the courier express parcel business, in the postal business. Of course, the AGV makers will be one of them, and the large system integrators who create these kind of large warehousing, sortation hub systems, they will also be our customers. Yeah.
Fantastic. Thank you, Michael. And what are some of the things that you're starting to see in terms of trends with customers?
Well, definitely there is increasing interest in automation. I think trying to get labor becomes increasingly difficult. Costly is one thing, but also finding good labor becomes increasingly challenging. So there is interest to automate in order to reduce the reliance on labor or due to the inability to find them. We also see interest in real-time localization solutions. Imagine a very large warehouse or a factory where there are a lot of moving assets. And the end user takes a long time to try to find these things, and that's time wasted and not productive time. So with RFID solutions, with ultra-wideband solutions, we are able to do real-time tracking of these moving assets, put it on the digital twin to be able to let the end user know where these are found, and also to track the movements of these moving assets to help in planning and resource allocation. And that has helped our customers reduce searching times significantly from an average of 45 minutes down to 15 minutes, increase productivity, increase OEE. So a lot of benefits in real-time localization solutions being deployed these days. Yeah.
Wow, that's absolutely fantastic, Michael. And in terms of, we're seeing some trends coming through in terms of geographies. So you're seeing something different happening in Australian market versus the Southeast Asia market versus Europe?
Yeah. So I'm taking care of the Southeast Asian market with the trade wars that are happening between the US and China. We are seeing a trend of factories moving out of China, and Southeast Asian markets are benefiting from that in a way. We see factories moving into the likes of Vietnam, Thailand, Malaysia, India, and these large factories would require automation solutions. So that's good opportunities for us. Yeah.
Oh, fantastic. And how are you finding CeMAT?
CeMAT's great. I think this is a good time for CeMAT to come to Singapore and to Southeast Asia because of the increased demand for logistics automation solutions. And especially in Singapore, where we are a logistics hub, right? All the ships, the planes, they come here. We are a transport hub, a logistics hub, and finding labor is so challenging here, and hence automation is also of interest. Singapore being a regional hub for MICE and events, we also see a lot of foreign visitors at our booth today, and I think that's good for Singapore and also good exposure.
Yeah, definitely, Michael. And in terms of exposure, what are you looking for going forwards?
Yeah, we're trying to reach out to end users to let them know about the different solutions that we have. Of course, we already have close collaboration with our system integrator partners, but we are reaching out to end users. And there's a lot of interest in digital solutions. So we are moving into things like smart manufacturing, smart logistics. And these typically are for brownfield kind of applications. Right, so for greenfield projects, yeah, that's covered by the system integrators. But for brownfield projects where end users are struggling to get more data, where there may be some blind spots, where there are some inefficiencies, we come in through consultation to identify where are the pain points, where are the areas of interest to acquire data, and then we work on the project together with the end user on data acquisition, bringing that information to a cloud platform, and we are able to build an entire digital solution for the customer if required, or if they just need the raw data, we are able to then provide them. They ingest it in their ERP and MES systems. That's also something that we do with our customers.
Wow, what a beautiful broad range of products that you offer, Michael. And how do we find more about you? What's your social media? Where you've got a website? Can you tell us more info?
Yeah, Zig.com is where you will find all the information. If not, Zig Sensor Intelligence on LinkedIn is also another area that you can find us. And here in Singapore, it's our regional headquarters for Southeast Asia and Asia Pacific. We are located in Woodlands, in the northern part of Singapore. We have an experience center, a very large experience center in our office. We could not bring all the exhibits. This is only a part of it. So if anybody's interested in visiting our experience center, yeah, just do feel free to reach out to us and we'll show you around.
Wow, fantastic. So if you're listening, then get yourself over to Singapore's Experience Centre. And if you're online, follow sick.com. And if you're here at CeMAT, then we'll certainly look forward to seeing you for the rest of today and tomorrow. So thank you, everyone, and enjoy the rest of the event, Michael.